Coming up.
Yeah, it doesn't run.
And there's a simple reason for that. But to understand why, I like to explain something. Wouter is into Volkswagen and I'm into BMW. And these differences make that a friendship is never boring. We just both like different things. But he respects my lovely BMW and I respect his shitty Golf. I mean, why would you even want to drive a Golf? Anyway, every now and then we do agree to something. And this time it was that my BMW needs an engine. Yeah, my car has no engine. I've owned it since 2012 already and it used to have an engine. I mean, we took it on countless holidays, city trips, events, but best of all, I took it on countless memories. Apart from that, there's a personal story on why I ever bought this car, but I like to keep that one for myself. This car just means a lot to me, but for the past years it has not been running. So about this engine. It used to have an M54B30 6-in-line engine. And for the people who don't know BMW engine, this is a 2.7 liter with a longer stroke. It only made 129 horsepower, but it made a lot of torque. I already did a head and intake conversion on it, as well as a shorter differential, and it was able to rev a little higher. This is the first start after doing that conversion. So it made a little more than what it was supposed to do and it was pretty quick for what it was. I mean, it even managed to do this. And there's also a very good reason why I paused this clip here. Listen to it carefully. This is the exact moment I spun a rod bearing. Knock knock, who's there? Well, in my case, cylinder 4. And what are we gonna do with it now? Well, do you remember this clip? Hi.
Goeiedag.
Ik wil graag een bod doen op je auto.
Hoeveel?
Echt een erg groot nummer. 4. Yeah, and this is where I like to put in a clip of my other BMW. Wait, no, not that one. No, not that one. Yes, this one. This is my BMW. And we are going to swap this engine into my e28. Sad story? Well, Well, no, because this car now suffers from rust issues and it got rear-ended, so the owner had to let go of it. And we are very happy that this is going to be the engine donor for my car. But before I can tell you more about this, I would like to raise awareness for a serious condition. First time I ever experienced this. I didn't know what to do or where to go. In the moment you have to explain what's going on, you get the feeling that all your pride is taken away from you. My name is Frank and I have rock knock on cylinder 6. So if you ever might face rod knock, a little walk might do you some good. Because maybe on your walk you will find a suitable engine donor. All jokes aside, this is the E39 from that video now. And as you see, it's in a bit of a sorrow state. A lot of parts are missing, and that is because I'm parting it out. But what I do keep is this engine. This is the engine that goes into my E28. But before we can do that, I had the ECU reprogrammed because there's a lot of stuff in it that I don't need anymore, like key recognition. I'm not going to use that on my E28. What I also did was a stage 1 map on this car. And hopefully this car is running good, but before we're going to swap that engine, I'm going to test the ECU in this car first, so I know I don't have a wiring issue whenever this car or this engine is in my E28. Okay, so there's my lovely ECU. That should go there. That should go there. Should it? Yes, it does. It's basically like a Lego. It only fits in one place and it's not that hard. Okay, this can stay like this for now. On with the battery. Oh, that's a heavy boy. Yes, no battery. Plus cable. Do we have interior lights and stuff? Not yet. Does it work? That one is flat. You probably have seen me make fun of Wouter's Golf in a lot of videos. If you ever wondered what I am driving, yeah, a Golf. All right, this old emission-friendly diesel should do the trick. Junk.
2 hours later.
Because red always goes to black. Yes, I know you are not supposed to start a BMW from the battery, but there's not much choice. I will not be running Bimmer. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, so it has been running now for about half an hour. I'm gonna turn off that annoying diesel and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay. Oh yes. Yeah.
Pope Francis.
So there's a little bit of condensation in the exhaust. I'm gonna let it run for a while. I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna take out the engine. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Join me next time to see more progress on this car and my E28. And for now, have a nice day.